Welcome to our video, where I will show you 7 secrets to natural weight loss. Let's get into it, shall we? One of the most popular topics for people who come to our channel is weight loss. There are so many fad diets and miracle exercises that promise success out there. Although a proper diet and exercise regime are important to weight loss, you can ease the process by using some of the following natural techniques to support your progress. Number 1. Lemon water. Lemon juice helps your body get the nutrients it needs to burn fat into energy and stop weight gain. Make sure to keep drinking lemon juice even after you lose weight, to keep your new weight. Simply squeeze the juice of 1 lemon in a glass of water and drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Number 2. Take apple cider vinegar. Because apple cider vinegar has acetic acid, it's good for losing weight. Acetic acid stops body fat from building up. Apple cider vinegar also helps your body take in nutrients from the food you eat, treats digestive issues, and fights infections. Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink it once a day in the evening. Number 3. Replace your regular tea or coffee with green tea. Green tea contains a range of antioxidants that help you break down foods to aid in losing weight. The catechins in green tea help to burn fat. Switch your regular cup of tea or coffee with a cup of organic green tea. Do not exceed 4 cups of green tea per day. Number 4. Exercise. Keeping your body moving is a key element on the road to weight loss. Doing a mix of weight training and cardio will give you the best results. Not only does exercise change the composition of your body, it also helps to alleviate stress, boost energy, and sleep quality. Set a time each day for your exercise. Once you make it part of your daily routine, it will become easier and easier. Number 5. Eat a healthy diet. A healthy and low-calorie diet is a very important part of a good weight loss plan. Make sure to include fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your diet, instead of filling up on junk foods. Planning your meals in advance will help to keep you on track. Number 6. Drink plenty of water. Drink a lot of water throughout the day to help your body flush out toxins. 8 to 10 glasses is the recommended amount, but for weight loss, aim for more. Eating more fruits and vegetables will also increase your water intake, as they have high concentrations of water. Number 7. Get proper sleep. Sleeping is extremely important for weight loss. In fact, not getting enough quality sleep affects your hunger and fullness hormones, negatively changes the way your body breaks down materials, and changes the way your genetics impact your body mass index, BMI. Aim to get 8 hours of sleep every night. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more amazing natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.